Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue of Steam. So the gaming platform Steam is showing an error with the error code e502L3, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So the following error E502L3 indicates that there is a issue with Steam server. Basically, the Steam servers are experiencing heavy load. It mainly occurs during sales or on the release of popular games when many users try to access Steam. And to overcome this issue, first of all check the server status of Steam. You can easily check the server status from Steam's official website. From this site you will get the information regarding the status of every feature of Steam, and also you will get the status of the games. If everything looks good, then simply check your internet connection. If still it's not working, then simply restart the Steam, and if the server status of Steam is down, then in that case you can't do anything, you just have to wait and simply try again later. Hope it helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.